In this video, I want to talk about why I like the HoldCo more than I like the operating co. Now, when I say HoldCo, I'm talking about having a holding company, a HoldCo that you're using for specific purposes, as opposed to an operating co. You're using an operating co to sell a product and or to provide a service. The biggest differentiator for me and why I like the HoldCo more than the operating co is because of strategy over structure. Both of them are typical structures. Your HoldCo could be an LLC. Your operating co can be an LLC. But the strategy for me is the difference between the two. Because when I first started as a small business entrepreneur, of course, I did what everybody else did. I set up my operating co, my LLC, with the intention to provide a service and or to sell a product. But like 90% of businesses, I experienced the initial failure of building a business from scratch, not having enough capital, not really testing the market, not understanding marketing and sales the way I needed to, not being prepared for the competitive advantage other people who had operating companies like mine had. So it's just the endless list of challenges that every operating company owner faces, because most businesses are operating companies. They are operating LLCs, and the business owner is a business operator, as opposed to HoldCos. People who typically have HoldCos own operating cos under their HoldCos, but they're not focusing primarily on selling the product or providing the service as much as they are in the business of owning businesses that sells products and provide services. And this is one of the reasons why I like the HoldCo over the operating co. Now, again, it took me years to understand the structure. And once I did understand the structure, I had to learn the strategy. One of the biggest strategies to the HoldCo as opposed to the operating co is you're not in the business of selling the product. You're not in the business of providing the service. You're in the business of owning the OpCo, LLC, that sells the product, okay, or that provides the service. And if you don't own 100% of this particular business, you're just looking at owning some percentage of it, whether it's through a strategic partnership, an acquisition, or acqui-hire, or so many other strategies that you're using, but you're in the business of deal making. You're in the business of businesses. You're in the business of equity and ownership and assets and acquisitions, as opposed to being in the business of selling the product and providing the service. As a matter of fact, I've gotten to the point with the ownership of my HoldCo that my HoldCo is the asset manager of all these assets, business assets, intellectual assets, certain ownership percentages that I have in other assets, where I'm not having to primarily focus on selling the actual product or providing or delivering on the actual service, because I'm not in the business of the operating co, I'm in the business of the HoldCo. Now, I personally think this business concept, this strategy in a HoldCo is perfect for anyone, especially if you're over here grinding out. Not that you won't have to sell products or provide services, but at least you have a strategy that is broader and bigger than just the operating co. It's perfect for anyone, but especially if you want to sell courses online, if you want to coach and you want to consult and provide those types of subject matter expert advisory services, this is going to be a better structure for you, because now your initial strategy can be to house your consulting, your coaching, and your education, either as a division inside of the HoldCo, which you can do that, or as a subsidiary where now you just create a separate entity for your C for consulting, C for coaching, E for education, and this entity can provide the service or the products of your consulting, coaching, and education, but this entity is essentially an asset of that entity as opposed to this entity being your main entity. And yes, you got to sell products, you got to provide the service, but at least it's within a structure where you have more than just the strategy of selling the product or providing the service. You also have the strategy of expanding your HoldCo enterprise and your assets. That's, for me, the way that I've had to go, especially because I wanted to grow and expand, and I just didn't want to stay on the hamster wheel of being a small business operator. So if you're interested in starting and structuring or maybe restructuring your current LLC entity or entities to reflect the HoldCo structure and strategy as opposed to just the operating co structure and strategy, click the link in the description. We have a program called the HoldCo Accelerator. This is a new program that we've introduced this year specifically for the busy entrepreneur who just doesn't have time to file and form paperwork, draft operating agreements, and really put the entity structures together. We provide all of the advisory services for you, where we file and form the paperwork, we draft your operating agreements, we deliver to you the entities that you need based on the vision that you share with us when we have our initial strategy assessment. And this is a 90-day advisory service solution that we provide. And in that 90 days or 3-month window, while we're working on filing and forming your paperwork and drafting your agreements, we're going to make sure that we help you with the strategy to show you how to build your divisions and your subsidiaries out, what assets that you have that you can transfer under your current entity. Do you want to buy new assets? Do you want to build, or do a little bit of both? Are they buy and build to hold or buy and build to exit? We go through each of those strategies with you to make sure that once we deliver this HoldCo enterprise entity structure to you, that there are strategies you have with it so that you can start scaling your enterprise to the next level. So just click the link in the description. We'll be more than happy to jump on a strategy call and show you what we can do to help you take it to the next level.